Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today, we have 3 work from home opportunities just for you. The first work from home opportunity comes from the company Amazon.com. They're looking for an ERC associate, Employee Resource Center. It pays up to $18 per hour. Job summary: join Amazon's HR team and help make a difference for all Amazonians. We are hiring associates for our Employee Resource Center. The ERC department is part of the HR organization. The ERC area is the first point of contact by phone, chat, or tickets for inquiries related to payroll, policies, and benefits, among others. The ERC associate is an HR representative that takes care of phone-related contacts from Amazon employees across the US, EMEA, Canada, and LATAM. Associates will work one-on-one with employees while maintaining successful partnerships with HR business partners, benefits, stocks, payroll, talent management, and operations partners to find the solution for the customer while providing a world-class employee experience. In this role, you will master your research skills and ability to resolve HR issues coming in via the ERC phone system while using our case management system to document and track every call with high level of accuracy. Moreover, you will encourage self-service tools available for all employees. As a member of the HR organization, you will handle confidential and sensitive information, as well as demonstrate strong integrity and ethical behaviors. You will use your strong analytical and critical thinking skills to bring about continuous improvement on a daily basis. Put your exceptional customer service, communication, organizational skills, superior attention to detail, and ability to prioritize to work in a fast-paced, rapidly changing HR environment. As an HR contact center associate that supports disability, leave, and accommodation, your responsibilities will be: the ERC team provides support 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Work shifts are variable of 5 days per week between Sundays to Saturdays. Anticipated assignment duration to last 6 minutes, 7 months, subject to change due to business needs. Take ownership of employee contacts, ensuring that each contact is accepted and resolved with a high degree of customer focus. Resolve queries by referring to documentation such as frequently asked questions and standard operating procedures, and escalate when these cannot be resolved. Build customer trust through empathetic, personalized conversations. Receive queries via phone and log contacts into the shared service case management system. Work closely with partner teams to keep up to date on process changes. Partner for quick resolution of cross-functional issues and consult to improve processes. Applicants from the following states will be considered: Alabama, Arizona, Arkansas, Delaware, Florida, Georgia, Indiana, Iowa, Kansas, Kentucky, Louisiana, Maine, Maryland, Michigan, Mississippi, Missouri, Nebraska, Nevada, New Jersey, New Mexico, North Carolina, North Dakota, Ohio, Oklahoma, Pennsylvania, South Dakota, Tennessee, Texas, Vermont, Virginia, Washington, West Virginia, Wisconsin, and Wyoming. 4+ years of contact center, customer service, human resources, or equivalent experience. Experience using knowledge database and researching skills. Previous HR experience. Proven ability to manage customer contacts in a fast-paced environment. Proven ability to adjust to constantly changing workloads. Proven ability to follow existing process with high attention to detail. Additional language is a plus. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below under job number 1 so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have more job leads here on this video and every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. The next work from home opportunity comes from the company Amazon.com. They're looking for a content consultant. It pays up to $212,500 a year. This role can be based virtually in the United States or in one of our approved office locations in Seattle, Austin, Chicago, New York, Tempe, Nashville, or Santa Monica. The Strategic Account Services organization is seeking a manager, customer success manager, to lead a team of customer success managers responsible for the growth and development of some of the most influential sellers in the Amazon store. The ideal candidate thrives in an ambiguous environment where they must develop, implement, and iterate on business strategies to deliver growth and positive experience for sellers. This person has relentlessly high standards and operates as a business owner who understands key levers to achieve results through their team. They have a passion for people management and are at their best when they're building, developing, and guiding high-performing teams. In this role, you will be responsible for all business and operational objectives of your customer success management team. You'll drive the creation and execution of strategies to achieve business goals and collaborate across your team to explore innovative ways to identify and optimize growth levers such as selection expansion, merchandising strategy, brand positioning, and catalog quality. Key job responsibilities. Customer success managers are responsible for driving seller business growth by providing customized insights and recommendations, educating regarding relevant tools, products, and services, and delivering a positive experience with our program. The key responsibilities of a senior customer success manager include, but are not limited to, business growth, contribute to goal setting for your team to align with organizational goals, contribute to business strategy development, and identify the correct input metrics that drive growth and improve the end customer experience in collaboration with cross-functional teams and other Amazon programs. Possess the ability to manage and deliver against complex goals where strategy is not defined. Ability to make trade-offs between short-term seller needs and long-term strategic investment. Implement and track key input metrics to measure your team's success in driving growth for your customers and evaluate the quality of the end customer experience. Use these metrics to guide your work and uncover hidden areas of opportunity. Seller relationship management. Build and cultivate strong relationships with sellers in your team's portfolio along with internal stakeholders. Be a trusted advisor and a business advocate. Monitor seller satisfaction survey results to investigate both positive and negative feedback trends. Establish improvement plans and manage expectations with customer success managers as appropriate. Program process excellence. Use customer feedback, market growth trends, and analyze key metrics to contribute to strategic development of features and programs that accelerate sellers' growth and improve their experience working with Amazon. Spot areas of unnecessary process or inefficiencies and work to simplify. Identify, optimize, and scale improvements that can benefit a large set of customers, e.g., driving efficiencies through tools and processes, simplifying SOPs, etc. Working across multiple organizations. Develop mechanisms to create accountability, leadership. Manage a team of account managers. Act as a thought leader in defining success criteria and understand business needs of sellers in an ever-changing business environment. Contribute to strategic plans and documents for the organization. Partner with external teams including category management, finance, global customer success management, and central support teams to align programs and initiatives to drive growth. Manage recruiting and hiring efforts across direct team and broader organization. Coach, mentor, and develop your team. Experience in e-commerce, corporate retail, consulting, and/or B2B. Superior communication and presentation skills. Effective territory, account management. Strategy development with multi-phase execution and delivery, planning, opportunity qualification and creation, stakeholder and executive communication, needs analysis, value engineering, services, partner engagement, opportunity management, and negotiation. Understanding of retail math and formulas for the purpose of making business decisions. Experience using analytical, account management, and productivity tools including Oracle Business Intelligence, CRM tools like Salesforce, Tableau, and Microsoft Office suites. The base pay range for this position in Colorado is $121,500 to $212,500 per year, and in New York City is $133,600 to $233,800 a year. Pay is based on market location and may vary depending on job-related knowledge, skills, and experience. A sign-on bonus and restricted stock units may be provided as part of the compensation package, in addition to a full range of medical, financial, and other benefits dependent on the position offered. Applicants should apply via Amazon's internal or external careers site. The pay range for this position in Colorado is $121,500 to $212,500 a year. However, base pay offered may vary depending on job-related knowledge, skills, and experience. A sign-on bonus and restricted stock units may be provided as part of the compensation package, in addition to a full range of medical, financial, and/or other benefits dependent on the position offered. This information is provided per the Colorado Equal Pay Act. Base pay information is based on market location. Applicants should apply via Amazon's internal or external careers site.
If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description
Below under job number 2 so you can apply.
apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have more job leads here on this video and every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you.
The next work from home opportunity comes from the company Amazon.com. They're looking for a professional services consultant. It pays up to $228,600 a year. At Amazon Web Services, we're hiring a professional services consultant to lead OS partner and client teams. Consultants manage and deliver OS cloud products and services that enable our customers to realize their business objectives. These professional services engagements focus on the full platform of OS customer solutions to help our customers and partners remove constraints and accelerate their journey to OS. A day in the life. Inclusive team culture. Here at OS, we embrace our differences. We are committed to furthering our culture of inclusion. We have 13 employee-led affinity groups reaching 85,000 employees in over 190 chapters globally. We have innovative benefit offerings and host annual and ongoing learning experiences, including our conversations on race and ethnicity and AmazeCon conferences. Amazon's culture of inclusion is reinforced within our 16 leadership principles, which remind team members to seek diverse perspectives, learn and be curious, and earn trust. Work-life balance. Our team puts a high value on work-life harmony. Striking a healthy balance between your personal and professional life is crucial to your happiness and success here. We are a customer-obsessed organization. Leaders start with the customer and work backwards. They work vigorously to earn and keep customer trust. As such, this is a customer-facing role in a hybrid delivery model. Project engagements include remote delivery methods and on-site engagement that will include travel to customer locations as needed. Mentorship and career growth. Our team is dedicated to supporting new members. We have a broad mix of experience levels and tenures, and we're building an environment that celebrates knowledge sharing and mentorship. We care about your career growth and strive to assign projects based on what will help each team member develop into a better rounded professional and enable them to take on more complex tasks in the future. OS experience and certifications. The base pay range for this position in Colorado is USD $153,600 to $207,800 a year, and in New York City the base pay range for this position is USD $169,000 to $228,600 a year. Pay is based on market location and may vary depending on job-related knowledge, skills, and experience. A sign-on payment and restricted stock units may be provided as part of the compensation package, in addition to a full range of medical, financial, or other benefits dependent on the position offered. Applicants should apply via Amazon's internal or external careers site. The pay range for this position in Jersey City is $169,000 to $228,600 a year. However, base pay offered may vary depending on job-related knowledge, skills, and experience. A sign-on bonus and restricted stock units may be provided as part of the compensation package, in addition to a full range of medical, financial, and/or other benefits dependent on the position offered. This information is provided per the Pay Transparency Regulation of Jersey City Municipal Code. Base pay information is based on market location. Applicants should apply via Amazon's internal or external careers site.
If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description
Below under job number 3 so you can apply.
right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have
More job leads here on this channel every single day.
day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you.
One last thing, we are going to be giving away Amazon.com gift cards to our subscribers and notified viewers starting at 10,000 subscribers here on our YouTube channel. No purchase necessary in order to participate, and if you would like to increase your chances of getting picked, don't forget to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified. Leave a comment and share so we can get to 10,000 subscribers faster and get the giveaway started if you would like to participate. It's our way to say thank you and help you on your journey to finding the best work from home opportunity available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.